Council has said an investigation into the potential impact of flooding and a rise in sea levels of Cork's infrastructure is already underway, following calls from the Irish Academy of Engineering, IEA, for urgent action on the matter. According to the IEA report released yesterday, Cork City could be submerged in the next century due to climate change.
One day later,
my baby's all ready for the heat, but I'm not so ready for the burn. So crack away as he tries to explain that our weather has taken a turn. Summer is fine, blue skies are divine, but don't keep the clouds at bay. Bad weather will keep us together.